Today I will show you how to bend the lancets for lamination of a KAFO. Hi, I am Julian, CPO at Ottobock. Welcome to O&P Workshop Insights. First of all, you need to fix the lancets into the knee joint. So make sure that the knee joint or the dummy of the knee joint is fixed in the correct position. If everything is fixed, you have to mark the area which is in contact to the knee joint. Right here and here. Because this is the holy area, no bending in here. Remove the screws, and as you see, here I marked the holy area, and in the newer lancets you also have the mark on the back. I always want to have it on both sides to get a better orientation where it's not allowed to bend. Then put the lancet in the joint and have a look from the side where the lancet is touching the model and where is the most space. I will start to bend 1 centimeter away from the holy area to bend the lancet a little bit outside. Put the lancet into the bending iron and make sure that no iron is touching the holy area. And then just need a little bit power to bend the iron a little bit outside. Now we have the first bending. The distance is a little bit too big. At the end, we want to have 1 millimeter distance between the model and the lancet. We cannot get closer because in the lower part, the lancet is touching the model. So the next step would be that I bend the lancet in the lower part also a little bit outside, the same way as I did in the upper part. Just go a little bit with the bending, not too much. Then we see we have still a distance for 2 millimeters and maybe 2.5 millimeters. So now we need to get closer to the model with the lancet. And therefore I use this bending tool. Just put the holy area into this clamp, and then you just need to bend carefully because you need to get a sense when the steel is bending. And now the most important thing for me is this area where the lancet is getting the first contact with the model, and the distance between the model and the lancet should be 1 millimeter. My goal is that I reach also 1 millimeter at the end of the lancet. Just with a little bit feeling now, when you look from the side, we have the same distance over the whole lancet from 1 millimeter. And that means the upper part is finished. Let's continue with the lower part. For this, I'm using the bending tool. Put the holy area into the tool, bend it as far as you need it. Sometimes you need to bend the lancet in the horizontal way. With the bending tool, this is pretty easy because you have some adapters. Just put the adapters in the bending tool, and you can put the lancet in a horizontal way. And then you can easily bend it also in a horizontal way. So in this case, we don't need to bend in a horizontal way. So I can go with my bending back to the knee joint. And now I can see that one side of the lancet is touching the model, and on the other side, there's a lot of space. Now we need to twist the lancet a little bit. Put the lancet in the bending iron and don't touch the holy area. And the other bending iron put a little bit behind, and then you need to push the iron below. And now we need to check, and ta-da, that's it. This is how to bend lancets. For more videos, just check out our channel at Ottobock Professionals and leave a comment below.